After years of trying different types of wood stains out, we finally made the choice of using a wood stain by Sadolin. This is really high quality wood stain, adds a really nice waterproof layer to the wood, helps to protect the wood and adds durability to the wood surface. These stains are perfect to use inside and outside, so the wood is protected constantly from the weather. You only need to apply one layer of stain when you're staining the wood. You can put 2 layers on as well, which helps to really bring out the colour of the wood that you're going for. So if you did one coat of this on your wood, it would look a little bit lighter than this colour in reality if you're staining on softwood. If you're staining on hardwoods, it will come out slightly darker than if you're staining on some softwood. Sadolin offer a really large range of different colours for you to choose from. As you can see here in the little leaflet that Sadolin have provided us, you can see they've got a huge range of different colours, ranging from dark greys, yellows and whites, to the more mid-tone colours, like some of the lighter reds, some of the lighter blues, all the way to the darker colours, such as the Jacobean walnut here, like the dark brown colours. They've also got things like ebony, so you've got a nice black finish, or some of the darker blues, or some of the darker greens. You've got a really large range of different colours from Sadolin, which really allows you to help try and match the colour scheme that you've already got within your home.
Thank you for watching another episode of Build Your Own. Please hit the subscribe button below so you can stay in touch with our latest videos.